Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Raiz, a fantastic platform that lets you invest your money seamlessly. But Raiz offers more than just growing your nest egg. Did you know you can actually earn extra cash by completing surveys? That's right, Raiz surveys are a great way to boost your account and gain valuable insights into the financial world. But if you're new to the platform, you might be wondering, how exactly do I do surveys in Raiz? Well, fret no more, because that's exactly what we'll be covering today. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the hidden gem of Raiz surveys. Why Raiz surveys matter. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why Raiz surveys are worth your time. Firstly, it's a fantastic way to earn some extra cash. These surveys might not make you a millionaire overnight, but every little bit counts, right? Especially if you're saving up for a specific goal. Secondly, Raiz surveys are designed to help financial institutions understand your financial needs and preferences. By completing them, you're contributing valuable data that can shape future financial products and services. In simpler terms, you're having a say in how the financial world works. Finding Raiz surveys. Now, onto the main event, finding and completing Raiz surveys. There are two primary ways to do this. The first is through the Raiz app itself. Keep your app updated to the latest version, and whenever a new survey opportunity pops up, you will receive a notification. The second way is to keep an eye on your Raiz email. They'll occasionally send out survey invitations directly to your inbox. So, make sure you're not accidentally filtering Raiz emails into your spam folder. Taking the surveys. Once you've found a survey, click on it to launch it within the app. Now, it's important to remember that Raiz partners with various market research firms to offer these surveys. So, the format and content will vary depending on the specific survey. Generally, though, you can expect questions about your financial habits, investment goals, and risk tolerance. Some surveys might be short and sweet, while others might take a bit longer to complete. The important thing is to be honest and accurate with your answers. Here are some quick tips for a smooth survey experience. Find a quiet place with good internet connection to avoid distractions. Read the questions carefully and take your time answering them. Be consistent with your answers throughout the survey. Don't rush through the process. Inaccurate or incomplete responses might disqualify you. Earning those rewards. Once you've successfully completed a survey, you'll typically receive a confirmation message within the app. The reward amount will vary depending on the complexity and length of the survey. But hey, every bit counts. The earned amount will be automatically credited to your Raiz account, ready to be invested alongside your other funds. Bonus tip, maximizing your earnings. While there's no guaranteed way to get a constant stream of Raiz surveys, there are a few things you can do to increase your chances. Make sure your Raiz profile is complete and up to date. The more information you provide, the better Raiz can match you with relevant surveys. Respond to survey invitations promptly. Surveys often have a limited number of participants, so the faster you act, the better. Keep an eye on your Raiz app notifications and emails. Don't miss out on those precious survey opportunities. Alright folks, that's all you need to know about conquering Raiz surveys. They're a fantastic way to earn some extra cash and contribute to shaping the future of finance. So, the next time you see a survey notification, don't hesitate, jump in and make your voice heard. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Raizing.